It's been said that scars are the roadmap to the soul, and nothing embodies that idea more than this 1977 Porsche 911 Targa. Like every Porsche, it was designed for a singular purpose: to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. And in the pursuit of this purpose, it has served valiantly. Pushed to its very limits, the journey has rendered it nearly unrecognizable. A patchwork of repairs and parts cobbled from all over. If this were an ordinary car, it would have been relegated to the scrapyard alongside all the other has-beens and never-weres. But this is a Porsche, a machine designed for greatness. At Porsche Tucson, we understand that. So we took it upon ourselves to rescue this classic from the unrelenting passing of time before it could be ravaged any further. We knew it wouldn't be easy. Nothing worthwhile ever is. But this is not our team's first trip down this road. Twice before, they have risen to the challenge. Calling on all their expertise, they get to work. Stripping it down to the bare bones, inch by inch, bit by bit, piece by grimy piece. From the engine to the upholstery and everything in between, no part is left untouched. Restoring what can be saved and rebuilding the rest. They say time heals all wounds, but it also takes unwavering commitment, unshakable will, and a team with unbridled passion.
And this year, we have a 1977 911 Targa that when we first received it, it was pieced and paneled together from I don't even know how many different cars. We dubbed it the Franken Porsche. It has been a few months and it has been a lot that has gone into this car. 3, 2, 1. There it is.
When our paths crossed, this car had been through hell. Now we've brought it all the way back. Gone are the scars of past traumas, replaced by the flawless strength of new steel and the promise of infinite potential. A legend, restored to its former glory. No, not just restored, more like reborn. Because this time, we're not simply writing this classic a new chapter. We built it a whole new life.